guys? Amanda Ray here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you an impulse buy that the Ginger and I decided to do about 2 weeks ago. I'm super excited because I have wanted one for so long, and the Ginger didn't want me to get one because he knows I have a need for speed. So we compromised and we ended up getting 2 Honda Groms. Check them out. These are the Honda Groms, guys. I am so excited. So we've got 2. We've got a 2020 and a 2022. The 2020 is mine. I kind of stole it from Brad because I like the look of it a lot better. The style kind of reminds me more of a bike, I guess you could say. I'm not really too keen on that front being orange. I might change the color of that to black. I might change all the colors. I'm not sure. But in this video, I'm going to update you guys of what we've done so far on the bike. We did a fender eliminator kit in the back. We did a new taillight. We also did, or we're going to do, these right here we're taking off. We have a flush kit that we got. We took off some reflectors in the front. The 2022, it was hard to get some parts for this. We're still waiting on some because they are back ordered for some reason. 2022 is obviously a newer bike. They're both brand new from the showroom floor. They don't even have 100 miles on them yet. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what the Ginger did while I was at work. Check it out.
All right, guys, so these are the 2 new bikes that Amanda has wanted. So it is a Grom, kind of got her a smaller bike. This one's also a Grom. This one's a 2022. This is the one I normally ride. This is what she rides. This one's a 2020. It was a leftover. So we're gonna do a little bit of modifications. We're gonna get these big old mirrors off. Same thing on that one. We're gonna take these little reflectors off. Probably take the mirrors off. Definitely get these big old rear fender things on. We'll put a fender eliminator kit and get these blinkers off, and we'll get an integrated tail light so that the blinkers are in the tail light. Same thing with this one. So we're gonna do that. We got the under panel for hers to clean it up a little bit. TST Industries, a bunch of stuff. I think this is her tail light and side blinkers and relocate kit and everything. This one is my relocate kit, which is Yoshi Mira. TST didn't have a fender eliminator kit available yet for the 2022 because it apparently just came out like a couple weeks ago. So we got the Yoshi Mira kit. Deletes everything, so that'll be cool. And then TST made the 2022 taillight. It's all plug and play. Comes with everything that you need. These are the front blinkers that are flush mounts. So let's get to work. These things are crazy, long, ugly. So we're gonna try and just make them just look a little bit better. All right, fender eliminator off. Oh, stock fender off, I should say. Integrated smoke taillights in. It comes with a plug and play harness like I showed you. So you plug in one of them, one of the connectors here, the other connector here, and then these are for your tag light. They're already marked red and black. And then the light has a plug right here that you plug into the plug and play harness. And then it should work, essentially. So let's see if it, oh, and then you gotta get a new relay. So this one is the stock relay that comes out of it. So I just used the little rubber thing to put it back in the factory location, so it still works, but this one allows you to be LED when it blinks, so the relay is working. And then half of the light blinks, the other half blinks, and then let's see, and then it strobes. when you're on the brake. It's kind of cool. I heard it that they're programmable, but I don't know. I haven't really messed with it. I'm sure there's a switch or something somewhere. I don't know. But I don't care. Looks better. Now to put on the Yoshimura fender eliminator so I can hang my tag on it. Alright, so this fender eliminator is done. The plug and play kit for the integrated taillight also comes with the tag light power leads. So it makes it super sleek and super easy. And then this is what it looks like. So, and it's super clean underneath. The only thing I wish they had was a thing right here, a cover or something. But the tag light's super bright. And like I said, TST Industries integrated tail light, TST Industries plug and play tail light harness, the relay, and the Yoshimura fender eliminator kit. You have no blinkers on the back until you hit the blinkers, and everything blinks, everything works. And like I said, the tag doesn't get affected by any power or anything. Now for the 2020, it's going to be a little bit more difficult, it looks like. I think you're going to get this bolt, this bolt, this bolt, and this bolt, and this whole thing should come off. And we should just be able to unplug it, plug the new stuff in, and go. But on this one, the relay's in the back. On this one, it's in the headlight. So I got to take the headlight apart. So when I take the headlight apart, I'll take these apart and then put on her flush stuff. Well, so we got this far. Got that piece off. We got the main thing off. Everything's good. This is the tip sensor. So we're gonna have to move the tip sensor to relocation bracket, which they give you. But in order to fit this flat piece under tail, you have to cut this. Well, we are gonna cut a brand new bike up. And we're not gonna tell Amanda. She'll find out when she sees the video. Well, we just cut up a brand new bike. We have to clean it up a little bit with like a razor blade or something like that. And it'll clean up nice and well. Here's the piece for you guys. So, we don't need that anymore. Alright, she'll never know. Well, thought we were done cutting, but we're not. So we get to cut more. Yay! So right here, we're gonna cut right at this line. It's basically, let me get some light. Basically right at the end of the subframe. I gotta take off the tip sensor right there with those two bolts, but we're gonna cut both of those off and say screw it. Alright, so another piece, another big plastic piece cut off. Sorry babe, not really. So this is the back end of the bike cut off. So now we gotta bend this up, basically all the way up as far as we can until it touches the spring right here. So this bracket will get bent and then we can put on the undertail.
Alright guys, so I just got home from work. What is up? I am taking a look at the fender eliminator kit on my Grom. I absolutely love it. It gives a non-scooter vibe, more of a bike vibe since I'm not technically allowed to have a bike. Ow, tire. Oh my god, that hurt. I absolutely love it. It's a hidden type license plate. The taillight looks a lot better. It's no like a, you know, can't say it on here, but it's not, it doesn't stick out. It's a lot better in my opinion. I love it.
Alright, so how mad would you be at me if I said I had to cut the whole back end of your bike off?
You did what?
I had to cut the whole back end of the bike apart to get that to fit.
Are you kidding me?
No, I'm dead serious. See?
Babe, you had to cut the bike? Oh my god.
Yeah.
Why?
That's how it's in the instructions.
Is it really? Let me see the instructions.
They're all online. I'll show you online.
Is yours like that?
Nope.
The hell? Okay.
Yeah.
But it looks good. I never would have known.
Yeah.
Shit. Talking mushrooms.
So,
Huh.
I'll show you. I heard your car, and I was like, put the cutter away, do that. I'm running around.
Battery might die on the
So,
camera.
right here, as you can tell, that's where all this stuff.
So the battery did die on the camera, guys. I'm gonna show you where he cut for my rear end to make the fender eliminator kit and the undertail fit. You can kind of see the cut marks. He did them super flush. Let's see. So you got one right here and one here. You barely can feel it. You can barely see it. Very, very flush cut job. Again, the plastic pieces are right there that he took off. 2020 is a little bit more difficult to deal with, I guess, than 2022. But overall, I'm super happy with the outcome of how it looks. I do think I want to paint the front black. I see they have some smaller front fairings. That's not so big and bulky. I'm not a big fan of that. I'm not sure. But I absolutely love it. Super fun. We still have to do the block offs for this. And put the relay in for the blinkers in the back, because we haven't taken that part off yet. I think he wants to get a new headlight because he does not like his headlight, which is the main reason why he wanted the 2020, because he likes the headlight in the front. A little bit more aggressive, less scooter-like. So, overall, we love the Honda Groms. Cadillac is almost done. Super happy about that. Evo, we are waiting on a few things. But overall, everything is going well. So thanks again for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and I'll see you next time.